The Galaxy S25 Ultra is already shaping up to be one of the most exciting phones of 2025, right up there with the ultra-slim iPhone 17 Air and the yet-to-be-revealed Galaxy Z Fold 7. This phone is set to bring some serious heat with next-level camera tech, powerhouse performance, and that stunning design we couldn't stop raving about in our Galaxy S24 Ultra review. Plus, it'll be one of the first to give Apple's eye a serious challenge, thanks to the new artificial intelligence features coming in One UI 7. I've been using the S24 Ultra on and off all year, and honestly, it's been one of my go-to devices. The camera is insane, the S Pen is super handy, and the screen, gorgeous. But like any phone, it's not perfect. So if Samsung really wants to wow us with the S25 Ultra, there are a few things I'd love to see improved. Here's my Galaxy S25 Ultra wishlist, basically my top reasons to make the leap from the S24 Ultra to the next flagship. While Samsung is skipping the cutting-edge M14 OLED technology that has made waves in devices like the Pixel 9 and iPhone 16, they seem to have figured out a way to improve the display quality significantly. Here's the scoop. There's a rumor floating around that the Galaxy S25 Ultra could come equipped with a new M13 Plus OLED panel, an upgraded version of the M13 panel found on the Galaxy S24 Ultra. While it's not the M14 that some had hoped for, the M13 Plus is expected to fix the graininess problem that plagued its predecessor, offering a much smoother viewing experience. The key difference here is that Samsung seems to have tackled the graininess issue head-on with the M13 Plus, making sure the display looks sharp and clean. And even though it won't have the flashy, next-gen features of the M14 OLED, it still brings some solid improvements, especially in terms of power efficiency and color performance. Expect content to look even more vibrant, with richer colors that pop on screen, all while maintaining a solid battery life. However, don't get your hopes up for a significant brightness boost. The M13 Plus is rumored to focus more on color accuracy and energy efficiency rather than cranking up the brightness. This makes sense since Samsung is aiming to keep costs down for the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, which also leads to another interesting tidbit. It looks like the S25 models won't see a price increase despite the display upgrade. So, Samsung is making sure you get a better viewing experience without hitting your wallet too hard. The latest scoop from tipster Jukin Mosriv on X via Samobile hints that Samsung is cooking up a brand new game mode. According to a screenshot, it looks like this feature will drop alongside the Galaxy S25 series and One UI 7. It'll be found as a toggle in the Game Assist section, and the goal is to provide a more enjoyable gameplay experience. Games that are usually locked at 60 Hz could be boosted to 120 Hz with this feature enabled. Plus, there will be performance optimizations to make the gameplay smoother with less heat, so you can keep playing without worrying about your phone overheating. This new feature is likely powered by Qualcomm's 8FME 2.0 Adreno frame motion engine, which is designed to improve game performance through frame interpolation. If you're wondering how this works, the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset inside the Galaxy S25 series is what makes it all possible. Qualcomm promises it'll double the frame rate of games with minimal power impact, so gamers can enjoy high frame rates without draining the battery. And the Snapdragon 8 Elite is set to power all Galaxy S25 models globally, despite rumors that some regions might be getting the Exynos chip instead. Another potential feature, satellite connectivity. After Apple introduced this feature with the iPhone 14, it makes sense for Samsung to follow suit with its own version of satellite communication in the S25 series. This could be a game changer for people who spend time in remote areas without reliable cell coverage. Lastly, there's talk of Android improvements that would allow the Galaxy S25 Ultra to install new software updates in the background, a small but welcome feature that could make the update process more seamless and less intrusive. Although we're still a little ways off from the official Galaxy S25 Ultra launch, it's clear that Samsung has big plans for its next flagship. The S25 Ultra is shaping up to be a serious powerhouse with upgrades to design, display, camera, performance, and battery life. With the iPhone 16 Pro Max pushing the envelope this year, Samsung will need to pull out all the stops to stay competitive. As we get closer to 2025 and the eventual unveiling of the Galaxy S25 Ultra, expect more leaks and rumors to trickle out. So, be sure to stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to get all the latest updates. Catch you in the next one.